Every night, your brain creates a private movie, one that's filled with impossible physics, crazy storyline, and creatures you haven't thought about in years. Yes, despite how bizarre your dreams can be, they are one of the most universal human experiences across the board. I've researched the current neuroscience and the psychology studies to understand what scientists believe dreams can do for us and help us in our actual lives. Us. Scientists have proposed several major theories to explain why humans dream, and each one reveals something different about how the brain works, whether you're in a light sleep or you're in REM sleep. I will be explaining the leading scientific discoveries that I had found in the articles that I had researched about why we dream, with the activation synthesis theory, memory consolidation theory, and the emotional processing theory. We have the stage set, and I am gonna go into the first explanation from the research that I did, in the activation synthesis theory. Dreams occur when the brain attempts to make sense of random neurons that are firing in your brain as you're in REM sleep. Um, this theory was first proposed by Harvard researchers Alan Hobson and Ryan McCarley. According to Hobson and the McCarley foundational research, the brainstem will send spontaneous signals in REM sleep, and it hits your cortex, which creates brain waves, which will turn these into stories. And so it takes the memories of like things that happened in the past, or like things that you've been thinking about or like overwhelmed about, and it will turn them into a dream. While activation synthesis focuses on like the randomness of like how you can have a different dream from one day over to another, in the next one that I'm going to propose, it argues that dreams can serve a much more purposeful reason, in your actual life. The memory consolidation theory, dreams help the brain organize, strengthen, and to keep your memories in. You can have a dream of like an event that happened when you were younger, or like when you were littler, and like it helps you to remember these like either good or bad memories. And REM sleep is strongly linked to like your learning and your long-term memory formation. It can help you like study for a test. It can help you like with passwords. Like it can help you in the long term of what you need to remember. In 2021, there was a study in the Nature Communication that found that REM sleep enhances the brain's ability to stabilize the learned information, and it's suggested that when you dream, it actually will support your brain health and helping you to remember memories. And then the last theory that I researched was the emotional processing theory. Dreams can help regulate your emotions and reduce stress. If you've had some tragic events or you have been going through a lot lately, when you enter REM sleep, it can help you process what's actually going on in real time and help you to find solutions while you are dreaming that you can utilize when you wake up and you can use it in your day-to-day basis. The amygdala, a key emotional center in your brain, is highly active during REM sleep. So this actually stores all of your stress and sends out the stress hormones, which is high cortisol. And so this in REM will activate and kind of help you process through like what you've been going through. A neuroscientist in 2020, Matthew Walker, explains that the Dreaming allows the brain to revisit emotional experiences in a calmer manner. And so, like, if you could have went an event that was crazy and you were really overwhelmed and you were freaking out, you can relive it and kind of process in like a calmer and easier way. um, After exploring the three theories that I researched, I'd like to bring everything together. So I went over the activation synthesis theory, the memory consolidation theory, and the emotional processing theory. uh, Dreams can feel mysterious and random. They reveal the brain's incredible ability to process information and regulate our emotions, and to find a meaning in the chaos that is going on in our day-to-day lives. As sleep scientist Matthew Walker puts it, dreaming is a form of overnight therapy. It is reminding us that even when we're unconscious, the brain is hard at work helping us out in the future.